Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of the first lesson. Shall we start? Right. What is the name of the lesson? Tell me the name of the lesson. The Monkey Orchestra. What is the name of the lesson? The Monkey Orchestra. Can I give a quick revise of the yesterday's topic? Yes. What is the lesson? The Monkey Orchestra. About whom we are learning in this lesson? Mowgli, his friend, and the Monkeys Orchestra. Who is Mowgli? Mowgli was a little boy. He lived in a jungle. Who was the friend of Mowgli? Bhalu. What Mowgli was doing? He was singing a happy song. Then what did Bhalu said? Bhalu said, if there will be a music with the song, then it will be very nice. So when they both are talking, the monkeys are chattered. The monkeys said they heard what they both are talking. The monkeys heard what the Mowgli and Bhalu are talking. Then what they said? Don't worry, we will play music for you. We will play music for you. Who are going to play music for Bhalu and Mowgli? Monkeys. Monkeys are going to play music. Now, till here, yesterday we have completed. Today, we are going to the next part. So, by listening that monkeys want to play music for Bhalu, then we would be very happy, said Bhalu. Page number 2, open the textbook and page number 2, second page. Right. We would be very happy, said Bhalu. But how can you? If you play the music, we both, me and my friend will be very happy. But how will you play? How can you play? You do not have any musical instruments, no. These monkeys do not have any type of musical instruments. So, this Bhalu got a doubt. If you want to play music for us, very good. We will be very happy if you play. But, how will you play? Do you have any musical instruments? He got a doubt. Do these monkeys have any musical instruments? No, they do not. They do not have. Then what they did? You do not have any guitars. You do not have any drums. Any type of musical instruments like that. So, the monkeys jumped over an old hollow log that was lying on the ground. The monkeys jumped on an old hollow log. Hollow means empty, which do not have anything. Log means the cutting of a tree. The monkeys jumped onto the hollow log and which is lying on the ground. Right. They hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. If we hit a empty thing, empty box, empty dabba, then how we can make a sound? How it will be the sound? Dub, 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 dub. Dub sound will come, no? Like that only these monkeys also brought a hollow log and they started hitting on the log. Then the sound is dub, 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 dabba, dub, 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 dabba, dub, like that. Okay. Next, some of them brought some dried gourds with seeds in them. Some of those monkeys brought some dried gourds. Dried gourds means gourd means పొట్లకాయ లాగా పొడుగ్గా ఉంటుంది కదా సొరకాయ పొట్లకాయ అలాంటివి అవి డ్రైడ్ గార్డ్ అది డ్రై అయిపోయింది ఎండిపోయింది ద డ్రైడ్ గార్డ్ విత్ సీడ్స్ ఎండిపోయిన తర్వాత అందులో లోపల సీడ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా ఆ సీడ్స్ తో ఉన్నది తీసుకొచ్చారు సో దే బ్రాట్ ఏ డ్రైడ్ గార్డ్ అండ్ with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Rattles means do you have small babies at your home? Maybe your relatives also, maybe they have a little babies. If they are crying, what will we do? We will make some sound. ఆడతారు కదా పిల్లలు చిన్న పిల్లలు ఇట్లా సౌండ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా కిలక్కాయ అని అది సో అలా సౌండ్ చేస్తున్నాయంట monkeys dried gourds తీసుకొచ్చి, they brought a dried gourds and they started shaking like a rattle. And how the sound it will be? Chung, 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 chung. Some monkeys did a sound like dub, 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 dub. And some monkeys brought a dried gourds and make a sound like chung, 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 like that. Right. No, some of them tied some long plants to the couple of branches. Some of these monkeys tied a long plants like తీగలు, creepers ఉంటాయి కదా నా, creepers. ఆ creepers ని, తీగలు ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ తీగల్ని ఈ బ్రాంచ్ నుంచి ఆ బ్రాంచ్, ఈ ప్లాంట్ నుంచి ఆ ప్లాంట్. ఇక్కడ ప్లాంట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? Forest, because they all are in forest, they all are in jungle. So jungle contains so many types of plants, so many trees, big trees. So ఈ ప్లాంట్ నుంచి ఆ ప్లాంట్ కి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి అక్కడికి తీగలాగా కట్టారనమాట. So they tied up some plants to this tree to that tree and began playing like guitar, and making a sound like tung, 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 like. Okay, so now some monkeys brought a hollow log and made a sound like dub, dub, dub. And some monkeys brought dried gourds and make a sound chung, chung, chung. And some monkeys, what they did? They tied up plants from here to there and started playing a sound like tung, 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 tung. Okay, clear? So, by hearing all these, what a wonderful music band you make, said Mowgli. By listening all these, by seeing all this and by listening, Mowgli said, what a wonderful music band. Music band means nothing but orchestra. Music band is nothing but orchestra. Orchestra means the group of people, a number of people playing different kinds of musical instruments. Here who is playing? Monkeys are playing, not people are playing. Only monkeys are playing music. Okay, clear. By seeing all this, Mowgli said, what a beautiful music band you made. Next, so Mowgli sang his song and his monkeys band played along with them. Now, Mowgli started singing his song. Before, Mowgli have no music, but now these monkeys arranged an orchestra. Now, these monkeys arranged an orchestra. So, by seeing all this, Mowgli started singing, and his monkeys band, his orchestra, monkeys orchestra, started playing a music. The sound of the band was so good that Bhalu just had to dance and sing along. The sound of that band was so good. The sound of that band was so good. So, this Bhalu, who is Bhalu? He is the friend of Mowgli. He is the friend of Mowgli. Can I show one Bhalu picture? Yeah, see. It is a teddy bear. It is a toy teddy bear. Here on that lesson, in the forest, who will give toys? No toys are there in the forest. It is a real teddy bear, real bear in the forest. There. So, this is a Bhalu. Right. Okay. So, by listening all this, by listening the music and a song by Mowgli, this Bhalu can't stop himself. He started dancing. This Bhalu can't able to stop himself. He started dancing and singing along with that music troupe. Okay, what a lovely time they had. They all had a very lovely time. Spending with friends is a very beautiful time. Am I right, Ma? Spending with friends is a very beautiful time. So, by playing all these music, what's going on there? This Bhalu and Mowgli, when Mowgli is singing, this Bhalu is dancing, singing with, see how the sound of the hollow log, it is Dub, 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 dub. See, it is hollow. Nothing it has. See. Can you see? Nothing it has. Hollow log. Imagine that it is a log. It is hollow. Then when we play this one, dub, 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 dub sound. Dub. So can you hear the sound? Dub, 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 right. By playing that hollow log, some monkeys made a dub, dub sound. Some monkeys brought a dried gourds and they started shaking. Then which sound it produced? The sound is chung 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 chung, chung 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 chung, like this. Okay. Then by tying plants from here and there, here to there, some plants, creepy plants, from this plant to that plant, this tree to that tree, they started playing tung 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 like guitar. Okay. Now by listening all this, Mowgli started singing a song and Bhalu started dancing like boopy doopy doo, like that. Okay, by singing, Mowgli also started singing along with Bhalu and he danced. Right. Okay, this is the lesson. It is the lesson. We have completed our first lesson. Now I'll read once again the lesson. Listen to the lesson carefully. If you listen to the lesson carefully, you can answer the worksheet. Right. Okay. Shall I start once again? Right. Listen. Look into the textbooks. Right. We would be very happy, said Balu. By hearing that monkeys want to play the music, monkeys music play chestamani cheppai kada. So, adi vini Balu emanni? We will be very happy, said Bhalu. But how can you? You do not have any guitars, drums, or any musical instruments like that. But monkeys just laughed. Monkeys ఏం చేసే laugh చేసి, we do not need any of them. మాకు అవేమీ అవసరం లేదు. They said, they cried. Cried means గట్టిగా చెప్పడం. మాకు అవేమీ అవసరం లేదు అని గట్టిగా చెప్పాయి. The monkeys jumped over an old hollow log that was lying on the ground. The monkeys jumped over the hollow log which was lying on the ground. అక్కడ కింద పడిపోయి ఉన్న hollow log దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి వాటి మీద కూర్చొని started making a sound. They hit it with their hands and made a nice sound like dub 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 dub. Okay. Next, some of them brought some dried gourds with seeds in them. Some monkeys brought a dried gourds. ఎండిపోయిన సొరకాయలు, పొట్లకాయలు ఇలాంటివి ఉంటాయి కదా. గార్డ్స్ అంటే నానా గార్డ్స్, బాటిల్ గార్డ్ ఉంటుంది, బీటర్ గార్డ్, ఇలాంటివన్నీ ఉంటాయి గార్డ్స్. సో పొడుగ్గా సౌండ్, బాగా సౌండ్ చేసేవి, సౌండ్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. అవి డ్రై అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వాటి సీడ్స్ అటు ఇటు కదులుతూ ఉంటాయి కదా, సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. ఆ గార్డ్స్, ఆ డ్రై అయిపోయిన గార్డ్స్ ని తీసుకొని వచ్చి స్టార్టెడ్ షేక్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేశాయి. మేకింగ్ అ సౌండ్ chung 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 chung. Right. Now some monkeys, some of them tied some long plants to a couple of branches. Some of the monkeys tied some plants and played a music like guitar. How the sound will? It will be tung tung tung. Sound of the plants will be tung tung tung. By listening all these, what a wonderful music band you make. By listening this, Mowgli said, what a wonderful music band you make. Now, so Mowgli started singing. Mowgli started singing his song and his music band. Who is the music band? Monkey Orchestra. Monkey's Orchestra. This monkey orchestra started their music. Started playing their music. So, when these monkeys orchestra started playing their music, this Mowgli also started singing. The sound of band was so good. The sound of band was so good that Balu just danced and sing along. Balu started dancing and singing along with this music orchestra. What a lovely time they had. What a lovely time they had. See, This is the lesson. Now, see, we have hard words and question answers about the topic what I have taught today. Right? Shall we go to the hard words? You have to read along with me. See, guitars. G-U-I-T-A-R-S. Guitars. G-U-I-T-A-R-S. Guitars. Drums. D-R-U-M-S. Drums. D-R-U-M-S. Drums. Loft. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Loft. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Loft. H-O-L-L-O-W. Hollow. H-O-L-L-O-W. Hollow. G-O-U-R-D-S. Gods. G-O-U-R-D-S. Gods. C-O-U-P-L-E. Couple. C-O-U-P-L-E. Couple. Next. Wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. Wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. Wonderful. Now, questions related to this topic. What do monkeys do not have with them? What they do not have with them? Monkeys do not have any musical instruments. Do they have any musical instruments? No, they do not have any musical instruments. What did the monkeys do with the hollow log? What did the monkeys do with the hollow log? They hit it with their hands to make a sound. The monkeys hit the hollow log with their hands to make a sound. How the sound is? Dub, dub, dub. Hollow log means em chese hollow log ni. Vaati hands toti hit chesai kada. Hands to hit chesappudu em sound ochindi? Dub, 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 dub. Right. What did Bhalu do when Mowgli sang and the monkeys played the band? Mowgli sing chestunnappudu, monkeys are playing. When Mowgli sang a song and monkeys are playing their band, what did Bhalu do? He began to dance and sing. Bhalu is also began to dance and sing. Okay. Next, I have given two fill in the blanks for you. See here. Monkeys brought some dash gourds with seeds in them. ఏం తీసుకొచ్చాయి monkeys? ఎలాంటి gourds తీసుకొచ్చాయి? Dried gourds. D-R-I-E-D. Dried. See here. Monkeys brought some dried gourds with seeds in them. Okay. Next, second one. The sound of the dash was so good. A sound good ga manchiga undi. Which sound is good? Sound of band. Sound of the band is so good. Okay na nana. చూడండి ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి. monkeys ఏం చేశాయి? What do monkeys do not have with them? They do not have musical instruments. Next, what did the monkeys do with the hollow log? They hit it with their hands to make a sound. Next, what did Bhalu do when Mowgli sang and the monkeys played band? He began to dance and sing. Monkeys brought some dried gourds with seeds in them. Next, the sound of the band was so good. ఒక్కసారి ఇవి అన్నీ కూడా మీరు మళ్ళీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఈ హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ అండర్లైన్ చేసుకొని చదువుకోవాలి. ఇదంతా మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా వింటే మీకు మేము వర్క్ షీట్ పంపించింది ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, దట్స్ ఆల్ ఫర్ టుడే. We'll meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye all of you.